How do I change the icon on one of these on my Fire TV stick here? I have this Superman hero kind of looking guy, I guess, ish. As you want to change your icons, you can do it to any of them. Just come down to the edit symbol, profile icon, and we can change it to whatever you want. It's fairly easy. You can just pick one if you want it just plain Jane, that's fine. You got the goofy head here, and then we just save it down below. And it changes. I got Pops and Jaja here. The grandparents, we can do the same thing. They're going to be all confused if they see this next. And we can give them the fish, and we can say save. Now we've changed them. Alright, I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Peace. Welcome to the part of the show that doesn't exist, folks. I am trying to double down on these videos. I'm going to try to start making little ones where super easy how-tos like this one, how to change the icon. Like let's do how to add accounts or how to add different profiles to your account. I hope you need to know. I know I've done a few of them and most of them work out pretty good. On a side note, who has kids in rep hockey? Rep anything. Holy crap. Does it get busier? Or does it kind of get a constant? I don't know yet. This first year for me. My youngest is in a rep team. And it's so far he loves it. My oldest is kind of like I don't want to play hockey, but he's going to for a few more years, I think. And yeah, comment down below. Who likes the rep sports versus local league sports? Pluses, minuses. I know. If prices there, commute, needs, wants. Just, apparently, we're even part of management. I don't know. What did we sign up for, right? Anyways, they like it. They have a ball, which is what it's about, right? Cool. Enjoy. Peace.